Hey everyone, welcome back to another video where we learn to create a simple and modern carousel in PowerPoint using the Morph transition. Now let's get started. Step 1. Create the titles. First, insert two text boxes. One text box is for the number and the other is for the title. Select the number text. Change the text properties to fill only with no outline and choose a light gray color. Now select the title text. Set it to no fill, add an outline, and use the same light gray color. Once that's done, rename both shapes properly. Make sure to use double exclamatory symbols before the name, so the morph transition works correctly. Step 2. Selected titles. Next, duplicate these title shapes. For the duplicated version, change the text properties to match your main color palette. This version will act as the selected or active title in the carousel. Step 3. Create the boxes. Now let's create the content boxes. Insert 4 rounded rectangles and apply a fill color that matches your color palette. Rename each shape using the correct nomenclature. After that, duplicate the shapes and adjust their properties. Increase the fill transparency to somewhere between 60 and 85%, depending on your design. Now apply a glow effect. Set the glow size to 100 pixels and the transparency to 90%. Repeat this same process for all the rounded rectangles. Step 4. Use the grid lines. In the PowerPoint template, you'll find a group shape called guidelines. Use this grid as a schema to align and arrange all your shapes and text properly. This helps keep the layout clean and consistent. Step 5. Apply morph transition. Finally, apply the morph transition to the slides. Set the transition duration to 1.25 seconds for a smooth animation effect. And that's it. You're done. This is how you can create a simple carousel in PowerPoint in very little time. If this video was helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one. Don't forget to download the template. Link in the description.